Best luxury small car for 2025 to 2024 Infiniti Q50. As we move into 2025, the 2024 Infiniti Q50 has been recognized as the best luxury small car of the year. This distinction highlights the Q50's exceptional blend of sophisticated design, advanced technology, and dynamic performance, solidifying its position in the competitive luxury compact market. Elegant design and premium interior. The 2024 Infiniti Q50 stands out with its refined and athletic design. Its sleek profile is enhanced by a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and flowing lines that create a sense of elegance and agility. The Q50's low stance and aerodynamic contours contribute to its commanding road presence and sporty appeal. Inside, the Q50 offers a luxurious and thoughtfully designed cabin. High-quality materials, including premium leather upholstery and wood or metal accents, create an inviting atmosphere. The front seats are crafted for both comfort and support, with available heating and cooling functions. The rear seats provide ample space for passengers, making it a versatile option for various driving needs. Advanced technology and connectivity. The 2024 Q50 is equipped with a suite of advanced technology features designed to enhance convenience and connectivity. The centerpiece is a dual-screen infotainment system, with a 7-inch lower screen and an 8-inch upper screen, offering seamless access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for smooth smartphone integration. Additional tech features include a digital instrument cluster that provides clear and customizable driving information. The Q50 also offers an available premium audio system for a superior listening experience. Performance and handling. The Q50 delivers a spirited driving experience with its range of engine options. The base model features a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, producing 300 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking more performance, the Q50 Red Sport 400 boasts a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine with 400 horsepower and 350 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive acceleration. The Q50's rear-wheel drive layout and adaptive suspension contribute to its engaging and precise handling. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a priority in the 2024 Q50, which includes a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard technologies include adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane departure warning, enhancing overall driving safety. Conclusion. The 2024 Infiniti Q50 is celebrated as the best luxury small car for 2025, offering a perfect blend of sophisticated design, advanced technology, and dynamic performance. Its luxurious interior, cutting-edge features, and exhilarating driving dynamics make it a top choice for those seeking a premium compact car.